your scrub or cleanser tearing up your skin? You know that cleanser I'm talking about, that drugstore brand, that apricot brand? I used to use it, and I know you use it, or used to use it, or are still using it. Does it give you like broken capillaries and little scrapes on your skin? It did to me, so stop using it. I had the perfect cleanser that I'm going to talk to you about today. Welcome back to Teresa Talks. I'm Teresa Von Regan, and this channel is all about beauty, treats, and eats. I'm going to review with you my new favorite cleanser, the Clinique All About Clean 2-in-1 Cleanser and Exfoliator Jelly. Let's talk cleanser and the importance of washing your face every day. And yes, I said every day. And not just every day, twice a day. And let's get something straight. Makeup wipes are not washing your face. And don't forget, when you wear makeup, you need double cleansing. Not just your makeup wipes, a cleanser too. To learn more about double cleansing, check out this video here. What I love about the cleanser and exfoliator is the perfectly calibrated beads and the jelly-like feeling to this cleanser. Also, salicylic acid is in this cleanser, and salicylic acid is perfect for unclogging pores. Fragrance-free, it's paraben-free, no phthalates, and Clinique has this really cool new clean packaging. They expect to be 75 to 100% recyclable by 2025. I love companies that are green friendly. This cleanser is so reasonably priced at $24, so budget friendly, and a nice generous size. Why cleanse and exfoliate? Well, let me tell you. And don't forget, you're getting 2-in-1 with this product. Cleanse and exfoliate is so important because you need to remove all that dirt, oil, pollution, all that ick on the skin. I want to look, and I know you want to look, refreshed, rejuvenated, brighter. That's why we're talking about good cleansing and exfoliation. All right, let's talk cleansing steps. Cleansing steps are so important because I don't want you to waste your money on the wrong cleanser. Step 1 is identify your skin type. And you might be saying, I don't know my skin type. Well, let me help you out. Ask yourself this question. Are you dry, oily, or somewhere in between? I hear a lot of people say, I'm that somewhere in between, or my skin just feels fine, normal. That's good. That means you're a normal to oily skin, which is the majority of the population, and you have the appropriate balance of oil and water, which means your skin is gonna stay younger longer. For me, let me tell you, I am getting a little bit older and I'm drying out. And for my ageless beauties out there, like you know, right? When it's like tight and hurting, so you know if you're dry. If your skin feels fine, you're that normal to oily. If you need help identifying your skin type, check out in the description below, clinicalreality.com. This is a really awesome tool that you can use to identify your skin type. Step 2, find a good cleanser. Today, I'm gonna use my new favorite cleanser, the Clinique All About Clean 2-in-1 Cleanser and Exfoliator. And this leaves your skin feeling smooth, radiant, and refreshed. Step 3, wet your face at the sink or in the shower. It makes your product more pliable. Step 4, cleanse your face for at least 60 seconds, giving yourself a pampering spa experience. Massaging those pressure points, the temples, next to the nose, around the sinuses, and then pat your face with a clean towel. And yes, I said a clean towel, not yesterday's towel. Step 5, apply the rest of your skincare routine. Check this video out to see how to get great skin. Thanks for tuning in to Teresa Talks. Don't forget, smash that subscribe, hit the bell, like, and comment below with what your favorite cleanser and exfoliator is. Bye for now. See you next time.